Hi,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am good too.
What are you doing here?
Just relaxing. The weather's nice today.
Yeah, it's really cool.
So, do you speak English?
Yes, a little. And you?
Yes, I do. I also speak Urdu.
Wow, that's nice. How many languages do you speak?
Two only. You.
3. English, Urdu, and a little Arabic.
Oh, that's great.
What's your job?
I'm a graphic designer. What about you?
I'm a student.
That's nice. Where is your homeland?
I am from Pakistan. You?
Same. I live nearby.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you.
Same here. See you again.
Sure. Bye. Bye. Do you like this conversation? So don't forget like and subscribe.
Comment your idea. We will upload next. Thanks.